Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vayner -81 in League of Legends. So there's a simple fix for this. Here's what you gotta do. You simply go to search, type in add or remove programs. In here, type in Riot. You wanna delete the Riot Vanguard or uninstall it. Click uninstall. Yes, and it will uninstall it. Now, it's optional if you want. You can also delete League of Legends and then re-download it fully if you want. If you don't want, then just simply deleting the Riot Vanguard is fine. After it's done deleting, you want to exit out of this. You want to relaunch Riot Client. Now, after the Riot Client loads, you want to go to League of Legends. And it says here, update, install Vanguard. And you click it and it will install Vanguard. Click yes here. And it says here, installing Vanguard. And after it's done, it's going to say here, your game requires a system restart to play, but doesn't restart it just yet. You want to exit out of this. You want to go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this, services.msc. Click OK. It will open this window. You want to press somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it. Here, you want to change the startup type to automatic. Click apply, click OK. Exit out of this. Go to search one more time, find system configuration, open it, go to services tab, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it and take it back again so it's blue, and you want to click apply, okay. And it will ask you to restart your PC one more time, and after you restart your PC, your League of Legends should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vayner -81 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.